Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all TNT location to complete the mysterious cave quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to the Pirate Island, which is the new island in Pirate Cove. And after you arrived at the island, you can find this NPC, Carpenter, and you can talk to the NPC to start the quest. And the quest name is the Mysterious Cave, and you need to collect 4 TNT. And I'm going to show you guys where you can find the TNT. Okay, after you start the quest, you need to find this TNT like this guys, and I'm going to show you the first location. So you can go to the left side and the TNT will be right here. You need to pick up, and I'm going to show you the second location. Okay, just follow me guys, and the second location will be right here. Wait, okay, hold on. Alright, this is the second location, and pick it up and then just move forward, and then you will find the third location. And then now it's time to find the last location. It's right there. Okay, and yeah, this is the fourth location. And after you have found all the TNT, you will get 50 tokens. Okay, and then you can use the TNT to unlock the mysterious cave. Just go back to the Carpenter NPC, then you will unlock the mysterious cave. Thank you guys, and that's how you can find all the TNT. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.